Picture this, a car that marries the iconic performance of a Lotus with the cutting-edge technology of an all-electric drivetrain. The Lotus Eletre is set to redefine what we thought possible for electric sports cars. Prepare to be captivated as we venture into a realm where luxury seamlessly intertwines with groundbreaking technology. Get ready for an extraordinary surprise as the Lotus unveils its array of uniquely advanced features, leaving you in awe and eager for more. But meanwhile, the Lotus Eletre, dubbed as the future of performance driving, is the latest addition to Lotus's iconic lineup of sports cars. It represents a significant leap for the brand, being their first all-electric production vehicle. But don't worry, they haven't compromised on the driving experience that Lotus is known for. Let's take a closer look. From the first glance, you can see the Electre's classic Lotus DNA mixed with a futuristic touch. The aerodynamic design is stunning, with a low-slung silhouette and sleek lines, helping to enhance its efficiency. The overall design language shows that Lotus has put a lot of thought into the Electre's appearance. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that's a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The materials used are top-notch, with premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and an ergonomic layout. The sporty bucket seats offer excellent support during spirited driving, and the minimalist dashboard features a large infotainment screen that displays crucial vehicle information and various connectivity options. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the performance. The Lotus Eletre is powered by a state-of-the-art electric drivetrain that produces mind-blowing acceleration. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, making it one of the quickest electric cars in the market today. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Lotus is famous for its precise and agile handling, and the Eletre doesn't disappoint. The electric power steering provides excellent feedback, and the car feels incredibly nimble through corners. The suspension setup strikes a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, making it suitable for both daily driving and track days. Range anxiety is a common concern with electric cars, but the Eletre addresses that with an impressive range of around 250 miles on a single charge. Charging the Eletre is relatively quick too, with support for fast charging stations, which can get you up to 80% charge in just under 30 minutes. The Eletre boasts an extensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, for enhanced safety and comfort. It incorporates 34 cutting-edge sensors, including 4 deployable LIDAR, 6 radar, 7 HD cameras, and 12 ultrasonic sensors, providing a full 360 degrees view of its surroundings. So, after spending some time with the Lotus Eletre, I must say, it's an absolute thrill to drive. Lotus has managed to create an electric sports car that not only lives up to the brand's legacy, but also propels it into the future of automotive technology. The blend of performance, handling, and range make the Eletre a strong contender in the electric sports car segment. That's it for today's review of the Lotus Eletre. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and take care.